Welcome back, guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step process on creating a nice and clean simple transition effect in After Effects. Starting off, I already have my two clips right here. It's the first clip right here, and the second clip it's going to be our transition right here. Go over to new and create a new adjustment layer. Once I already have my adjustment layer, I'm going to go about 25% of our adjustment layer right here. Then first effect I'm going to add is Radial Blur. I'm going to drag in Radial Blur. I'm going to put on zoom, turn quality at high. Then we're going to start off at 0 for our amount right here at the 25% of our adjustment layer. Open up our timeline. Then we're going to have 50% of our adjustment layer, so about right here. We're going to put it at 45%. We're going to hit about 85% of our adjustment layer, about close to 90%, so about right here. And put it at 0. We're going to highlight all of our keyframes right here. Then we're going to ease them. Apart from that, we're going to close our Radial Blur effect since we're not going to add anything else. Next effect we're going to add is Colorama. Purpose behind this is to actually give a nice and colorful effect. So we're going to head to our output cycle right here. Go under preset palette. Then we're going to select hue cycle. It's going to give a nice RGB right here. We're going to go over to modify. Go to modify and then put it on hue. It's going to affect the colors right here. We're going to use the same keyframes for Radial Blur for Colorama. I'm going to head over here to input cycle. And we're going to start right here at phase shift. We're going to create our first keyframe, then open it up. Then we're going to follow along the same keyframes under here. Then we're going to go right here and put our keyframes at 191. And it's going to start shifting through all of the colors right here. Then we'll go towards the end and put it back down to 0. Then we're going to highlight all of our keyframes, then ease them. Once after that, I'm going to close this out right here. Next effect we're going to add is glow. I'm going to go down here and drag it in. We're going to have a radius right here at 45. I'm going to go towards the beginning right here. Then we're going to start our keyframes, have our first keyframe at 60, open up our timeline, head towards the middle of our keyframe right here, put it at 6.3. It's going to give a nice glowing effect right here. Then we're going to go right here and drag our threshold back up to 60. So we're going to go through it. So yeah. After that, we're going to highlight all of our keyframes, ease it, close out our glow right here. Then for our last and final effect, to tie this in, we're actually going to go to noise and enable it right here. On our amount, we're going to go to 20, make sure color noise is enabled. Then we're going to close it out. We're going to save our project right here. Then to actually tie in this effect much nicer and more better, we're going to select our adjustment layer right here. We're going to press T on my keyboard. Then we're going to bring down our opacity, and it's going to start getting rid of our adjustment layer right here and all the effects we added. Then we're going to go about towards right here. So we're going to drag in our opacity keyframe right here. Then we're going to bring up our opacity all the way up to 100. Then I'm going to copy this one right here, and it's going to start going from a regular color all the way transitioning into a new color. So I might push this back one more frame. See right there. So I'm gonna create a new keyframe right here. Then I'm gonna copy the 100, push it right here. We're gonna highlight all of the keyframes right here, then ease it. Your final effect should look like this. If you learned something new today or you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Apart from that, keep on working hard, guys. Chase your dreams. I'll see you guys in the next video, and keep on staying creative. Peace out.